Did you just install an application, program on your Windows PC and notice it looks blurry? Try this fix. Right-click the application's icon. Go to Properties, followed by Compatibility, then change High DPI settings. Check Override High DPI scaling behavior. In the Scaling Performed By menu, choose either System, Enhanced, or Application. Click OK, then Apply, and again, OK. In some cases, the System Enhanced option fixes the issue. In other cases, the Application option works better. If the application is new enough, you may not need to adjust its high DPI settings at all.